Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Exercise A. Underline the primary auxiliaries and write if they are used as helping verbs or main verbs. First, Saim is a successful doctor. Underline is and write down main verb. Second, I am doing my homework now. Underline am and write helping verb. Children, I am giving you 5 minutes to complete the rest of the exercise. Let's continue the exercise. Please check your answers. Third, the visitors at the exhibition were happy. Underline were and write down main verb. Fourth, I am not as good in English as Henry. Underline am and write down main verb. Fifth, they are going abroad next winter. Underline are and write helping verb. Sixth, the Clarks have bought a new SUV. Underline have and write down helping verb. Seventh, Mr. Gomes has 5 beautiful rose plants. Underline has and write main verb. Eighth, Mrs. Varghese had set the homework last Wednesday. Underline had and write down helping verb. Ninth, she did not complete her work today. Underline did and write helping verbs. 10th, he does his homework regularly. Underline does and write main verb. What does your mother cook on special holidays? Underline does and write helping verb. 12th, where were you in the afternoon? Underline were and write main verb. 13th, where did you go for your vacations this winter? Underline did and write helping verb. 14th, where are my science notebooks? Underline are and write main verb. 15th, what have you brought for lunch today? Underline have and write helping verb. Exercise B. Complete the passage with appropriate auxiliary verbs. Mr. Dhananjay Chakrabarti is a taxi driver in Kolkata. He has built a garden on the roof of his cab. He has named his taxi Sabuj Rath or Green Chariot. There are metal containers on the roof of the cab. The bottom is laid with soil, white sand, and stone chips. Mr. Chakrabarti is 40 years old. He drives his taxi between Toliganj and Karunamoyi in Kolkata. His friend is the one who gave him this idea. His passengers also showed their appreciation for the small money plant that he had begun with. However, Mr. Chakrabarti does not own his green chariot. According to the owner of the taxi, Dhananjay is one of the most careful drivers. He also fully supports this mission of his. Initially, this was not easy for him. There were other drivers who made fun of him. Most people thought that he was mad to even try doing such a thing. However, he did not lose heart.